Do your kitchen knives desperately need an upgrade like mine do? I've been dreaming of a set that can actually cut through all the vegetables and the meat that I use in my kitchen, and I think I may have found it with the Hexclad Damascus steel knife set. So let's unbox it together and I'll show you each of the knives and what they're used for, and then we'll do a few quick slices because I am dying to see how they perform. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and I have a healthy food and wellness blog called GentleTummy.com, and I share healthier recipes to our favorite foods that supports our mental as well as our digestive health. And they are really delicious and fun to make. So I desperately need a good set of knives so I can be efficient in my kitchen. Now, I am not a trained chef and I do not pretend to be one, but I am a very enthusiastic home cook that loves to cook healthy meals for my large family. Well, I'm a little embarrassed to show my current knife set because it's just full of odds and ends that I've been able to get by with. So I am ready to push these aside and replace them with the new Japanese Damascus steel knife set. Now, their box is gorgeous, which you can expect from Hexclad. It's minimal and tasteful in design and has a really pretty little embellished logo on the front. Let's go ahead and lift off the outer box. Move these out of the way. Happily. I'll lift up on the little magnetic strip on the box. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Soft and velvety interior. Pull off our little buffing cloth. There's a nice little manual and a nice little card, personally signed by Gordon Ramsay. Okay, we just lift the cover right off. Wow, look at those. Take out our little salt packet. The handles are made out of a rare forest green paca wood that is so beautiful. I love that it has a subtle green color, but it's not overpowering. And it has a nice little protective sleeve as well as this little plastic, looks like a bumper pad. That is so beautiful. You can see all the layers of steel. Now, according to the website, these have a 60 Rockwell hardness rating, which I didn't know what that was until I looked it up. And according to AI, the hardness of most Japanese knives is between 60 and 62, and it said they keep an edge for a long time and are easy to resharpen due to steel structure. Sounds good to me. So according to the website, this is the 7-inch Santoku knife. They say it's our triple threat, makes easy work of chopping, dicing, and mincing. It has a shorter blade than a chef's knife, so it's ideal for fast precision cuts. The wide face and the sheep's foot design, which no point, also makes it great for scooping ingredients. And then we have our 8-inch chef's knife, and they call this our new go-to. Powerful and versatile, it features an astonishingly sharp cutting edge that tapers to a precision tip, and with an ergonomic handle and ideal balance, you'll slice through hard vegetables or finely trim proteins with ease. Well, I cannot wait to do that. And then we have the 8-inch serrated bread knife. So they describe this knife as having wide serrations that provide grip and smooth cutting action, whether you're slicing a day-old artisanal loaf or shaping a cake sponge right out of the oven. And then we have a 5-inch utility knife. And this has an incredibly sharp edge in a smaller and extremely convenient form factor. So whether you're slicing proteins, herbs, or a sandwich, this knife is a kitchen workhorse that's easy for beginners to handle and experts to master. There you go. And then we have a 3.5-inch paring knife, which is used for cutting small fruits and vegetables to deveining shrimp. This paring knife sets the bar for precision performance. So it's short on blade, but long on capabilities. It puts total confidence and control in the palm of your hand. And then to keep all these knives in perfect cutting condition, we have a 9-inch honing steel, and this is used to sharpen the blades. So I'm going to quickly wash off these blades with some warm soapy water, and then I'm going to show you the really cool wood block that they will be displayed on, and we'll cut a few vegetables. Now, these knives will need to be stored very carefully, and you're not going to want to put these into a drawer with other knives. So Hexclad makes this really beautiful magnetic knife board that I'm really excited to unbox and use and display in my kitchen. In typical Hexclad fashion, they have this very beautiful box, and they've used a spot varnish to add this really beautiful wood pattern to it. It just shows their attention to detail. I'll go ahead and just lift off the top. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. And then, it just lifts right up and out of the box. Well, that feels very heavy duty, which instills confidence so it can hold all the knives. And it has this really cool stainless steel base, and it has this nice thick foam pad underneath. Oh, that is so beautiful and classy. Now we just take our knives with the handles facing upward, and they just stick right to the board. Well, I don't know about you, but one of my biggest pet peeves in the kitchen is not being able to slice through a tomato. So I'm excited to see what Hexclad can do. Oh my goodness. That is like slicing through butter. Take out the little stem, and then Now let's go ahead and cut nice and, oh my goodness, I barely had to press down on that knife and it just sailed through that tomato. Wow, did that like nothing. Go down on the diagonal. Wow. I barely had to put any pressure on that knife. The hardest part will just be me using a uniform thickness. Now that is amazing, and I could definitely get used to this. Now let's give the paring knife a shot. And it is equally as sharp. I'm sure that over time, as I improve my chopping skills, I could probably do it much more efficiently with the chef knife and just do it really fast, like I'm excited to practice. Now I have to also give this little paring knife a chance. Wow, and again, it's equally as sharp as the others. Well, I've been using my Hexclad hybrid pans for about a year now, and they have won me over. I really appreciate Hexclad's attention to detail, and I know that I'm investing in some very quality products that are gonna go the distance with me. So to sum up my first impressions of this knife set, number one, they're gorgeous. I love the unique green handle, it just makes them extra special and fun to use. I love the variety of blades that comes with this set, and based on these first tests, I can tell that the blades are equally sharp. And I love having this block to store them on because I have a large family with teenagers who help do the dishes. So this creates a really safe place where the knives can go immediately after they're washed. Well, I'm excited to start using these knives in my cooking videos, so you're gonna be able to see them in action. Well, thank you so much for joining me for unboxing these knives. This was so fun, and I have been looking forward to this for a long time. So I feel like I finally have a big girl knife set, and I could not be happier that it's with these Hexclad knives. Now, if you'd like to check them out for yourself, you can click on the link that's in my video description below, and then you can see if they might be the best way to upgrade your knives too. And I also invite you to browse my recipes on this channel as well as on my website, gentletummy.com. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.